Are you ready? Cause here we go. We're about to do it. Tuned into my show. We've only just begun. We'll have a lot of fun. Get ready, here it comes. Hysterical TV1.
A wise man once told me that in order to be a true dragon master, you must first learn how to punch hard, how to hit hard, how to kick hard, and how to pick up dry cleaning with no back talk. There has been no one to defeat me. My moves are so smooth. My punches, it's just so fast. My kick put you in coma. You not wake up from coma. Coma, Oklahoma. There's only 4 true dragon masters. There's Bruce Lee, there's Bruce Leroy, and there's my master, Master Yoshi, Nintendo 64. And then there's me, Bruce Leon. What the?
Hey y'all, there go the fake karate man.
You ready to get beat up again?
Ready to be up again?
You ugly little kid, back again. This time, Bruce Leon want my revenge. I fight you, pink one.
Nope, I'm gonna have to fight my brother.
That's okay, I fight you, ugly Timmy Skinny Benny. You been like stop sign. Let's go fight.
Get him, Emmanuel!
Get him, Emmanuel!
So, what you gonna do, stick boy? Huh?
Oh! Ah! Dang!
I show you. I got this. Go right there. Right fist. And nothing. I shake off. I shake off. It's nothing. It's not hurt. It's not hurt. You got small hands. You stick hands. No big hands. I got you.
Come on, Emmanuel.
Okay. You think you're good? I better. Bulia. Ain't nothing.
Come on.
Get him, Emmanuel!
You think you're good? You think you're better, Bruce Leon? No, you're not. Why? That. Hey! You reset, you start over, you cheat. You cheat all the time. You cheat, you supposed to sit still. You're not supposed to move when I punch you. No, that's cheating. You're supposed to be punched back. All right.
Get him, Emmanuel! Hurry!
Okay? You think you're good? You think you're fast? You slip past Bruce Leon with me? You want to do this one? I bet you. Cause I got special moves. Sing it! I still a master stick boy.
Man, you done got beat up again.
Yeah!
Hey y'all, did y'all see the way I pick him up?
And we said that guy was changing. Or you want to